Defrost your chicken with just a scan and Wi-Fi enabled LG Scan to Cook Charcoal Microwave Oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Defrost non-veg from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Take the frosted chicken pieces in a microwave safe bowl. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, turn the chicken. Keep the bowl inside the microwave oven again and press start. See how quickly and conveniently you can defrost your chicken with LG Scan to Cook Charcoal Microwave Oven. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook Microwave Oven.